History is written by those who strike hard and strike fast. In 49 BC, Julius Caesar crossed the Rubicon to seize Rome. In 1799, Napoleon used bayonets to silence a nation. In the 20th century, men like Adolf Hitler and Ferdinand Marcos used emergency decrees to murder democracy from within. They were masters of the self-coup, leaders who used the state's own power to dismantle the law. But on December 3, 2024, South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol tried to join their ranks, and instead he created the most bizarre, incompetent, and surreal failure in the history of modern republics. Yoon was not a traditional strongman. In Seoul, he was known as the Yeltsin of the East, a man whose leadership was famously fueled by legendary drinking sessions. He didn't trust the government. He trusted his drinking buddies from Chungam High School. This Chungam faction of generals formed a shadow cabinet, plotting a takeover not in a war room, but over whiskey and fast food. While the nation faced a crisis, the president lived like a king. He rarely showed up for work before 11 a.m., hiding his late arrivals behind a secret, opaque privacy curtain tunnel built with taxpayer money. Inside the presidential office, he installed a private, luxury cypress wood sauna and a hotel-style suite. A leader steaming in luxury while his presidency was drowning in scandals. The real motivation for the coup was to protect First Lady Kim Keon-hee from multiple corruption investigations. Known to critics as the Queen of Plastic Surgery, Kim's obsession with her appearance became a bizarre footnote to history. Incredibly, as special forces were preparing to raid the halls of government, reports emerged that the First Lady was preoccupied with a 3-hour cosmetic procedure, leaving the clinic just moments before her husband declared martial law. The military plan was equally amateurish. It was drafted in a Lotteria, a Korean fast food chain. There, former intelligence commander No Sang-won, a man with deep ties to Shamans, met with officers to plan the insurrection. His seized notebook contained chilling notes, a plan to induce a North Korean attack at the border as a pretext, and a kill list of opposition leaders to be collected and executed by shooting. In a bizarre twist of logic, Yoon, the man who was the sitting president, began echoing baseless conspiracy theories about a rigged election, even though he had won the presidency through this very system. He dispatched martial law troops to the National Election Commission, their mission to seize the servers and investigate the election that put him in power. It was an extreme paranoia, turning the state's military against its own democratic infrastructure. Every dictator's manual says, strike at 3 a.m., cut the internet, seize the TV stations. Yoon Suk-yeol did the exact opposite. He declared martial law at 10:23 p.m., while the entire nation was wide awake and staring at their smartphones. He didn't shut down the internet. He didn't block YouTube. His decree was nonsensical. He ordered striking resident doctors to return to work within 24 hours or face punishment under martial law. He branded the leader of his own ruling party, who simply called for a probe into the First Lady, as an anti-state force and ordered his arrest. Because the internet was live, lawmakers saw the news on YouTube at the same time as the military. They raced to the National Assembly, scaling 10-foot fences and dodging police barricades before the army could even arrive. Inside the hall, staff fought off elite special forces with fire extinguishers and furniture. Speaker Woo Won-shik utilized Article 77 of the Constitution, the legal kill switch that allows the Assembly to lift martial law with a simple majority. The public did not remain passive. Thousands of citizens rushed to the assembly in the freezing cold. They formed human barricades, fearlessly blocking military vehicles with their bodies. This was the legacy of 40 years of democratization, a public that refused to go back to the dark.